Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by defining exact classes and choosing Yolo TXT or Coco JSON. This decides annotation fields. Then, begin image capture. Use varied angles, lighting, and scales so models generalize. Once done, organize files into images / and labels / folders with identical base file names. This keeps training pipeline simple. Make sure to include edge cases and negatives. Those reduce false positives. Finally, sample 50-100 images to verify annotation and path consistency before moving on to bulk labeling. You annotate every object precisely, using polygon or bounding box tools. Accuracy matters more than speed. Once annotations are exported to Yolo TXT, run a small script to validate format and normalize coordinates to 0, 1. Then, augment images with flips, rotations, and color jitter while transforming labels accordingly, because augmentation increases robustness without new captures. Make sure to balance classes. Oversample rare classes or augment them more, and avoid overwhelming the dataset with one dominant label. You finalize by splitting data into train, validation, and test sets, commonly 80/10/10, while preserving class ratios. Next, create a data config or YAML listing paths, class count, and name so Yolo can load it. Start a short sanity training run with reduced epochs to confirm loss decreases and predictions align with labels. If things go wrong, mismatched labels, weird boxes, check file name pairs, normalized coordinates, and class indexing, one incorrect index breaks training quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.